In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the FED3 using the OEPS assembled electronics kit. First step is we're going to put the circuit board into the front plate, and then I'm going to secure it there with two 1/4-inch number 4 screws. So there's one right there underneath the battery connector, and one that's in between the little B and C connector and the ADA logger. If you look at the front of it, you should see that the photo interrupter comes all the way to the end of the little nose piece. Next, we're going to put the motor on. The motor snaps in and then plugs in with the red wire, which is the ground, going to the left. And if you look closely, you'll see a little ground denotation on the PCB. We're next going to put the pellet wheel in. And now we're going to move this motor and center the pellet wheel so that it's not touching on any side. If the pellet wheel starts rubbing on the sides, it can slow down the dispensing or even cause jams. So there's two screws underneath. Again, these 1/4-inch number 4 screws. Which we can use to secure the motor in that position. We're next going to put the battery on. So in order to attach the battery, you may need to remove the ADA logger. You can attach the battery here. You'll see it start to light up and do some things. I'll put it back on here. And I just removed the ADA logger because there's very little clearance in here to plug in the battery with the ADA logger attached. We're now going to let the battery go through this, the housing part, get all these wires to come through, and then the housing goes on with the, has a little ridge that goes underneath the front plate, and then it has openings for all of the other components to click in. And when it clicks in, you should see that the screen is underneath these little clips. Everything looks nice and straight. Can now fold the excess motor wire and push it in here, put the battery right here, and put the back cover on. We then have the pellet hopper, just screws on here. You should see that the little feet are flat. If they're kind of halfway up or like this is not going to work well. So make sure they're flat all the way down. Put a cover on. We got these nice clear covers printed commercially, which is nice because you can see the pellets, and the little SD card and USB door. So that's it. That's how to put that together.